Great rise. Yeah, man. Good morning. Yeah, man. So while watering, yeah, I was just observing the basil plant and the parsley plant. And I'm saying to myself that even basil and parsley, yeah, man, find root when the time right. What I'm actually saying is that just be patient. Yeah, not too over patient, because sometimes being patient you don't get what you really deserve. Yeah, but sometimes life itself calls for patience. Yeah, and for the basil and parsley root to grow, yeah, it takes patience, it takes sun, it takes water, it takes care. Yeah, man, so whatever you are pursuing in life, yeah, man, will find root when the time right, just like the basil and the parsley plant. Yeah, man, herbal laws out here doing it, you know.